Hey guys, welcome back. It's Friday, so it's the weekend. Just getting in a nice little 5K tonight before we head out. We are headed to West Bend to see my buddy and Trickster play. I'll see if I can put some links in the video here and in comments or whatever. So that's what we're doing tonight, but got to get a run in first. And it is looking like fall out here, except for the sweat here. If it was about 15-20 degrees cooler, man, then we'd have something going. But give it time, we'll get there. Beautiful here in Wisconsin. So that's what I'm doing tonight. Had some walks, some weightlifting here the last couple days, and looking forward to the weekend. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great night, have a great weekend, and we will talk to you later. Prost.